It's not every day you get to see a bamboo bomber stop at your local airport. First flown in 1939, it was designed as a multi-engine trainer for World War II pilots. It was nicknamed the Bamboo Bomber due to its wood and fabric construction. It trained thousands of World War II pilots, yet today few remember the Cessna T-50. Like many old radials, the Jacobs engines on the Bamboo Bomber don't always spring to life on the first try. Each of these 7-cylinder radials puts out around 245 horsepower, and together they give the T-50 its steady, reliable pull. A little stubborn maybe, but worth the wait. In the 1950s, millions of Americans tuned in to Sky King, a TV show about a rancher and pilot who flew his twin-engine Cessna to catch bad guys and save lives. His plane, the Songbird, was none other than the Cessna T-50. The show made the aircraft a pop culture icon, inspiring a generation of pilots and cementing the T-50's place in aviation history. Owning an airplane like this isn't just a hobby, it's a vocation. It takes commitment, knowledge, and deep respect for where aviation came from. The Cessna T-50 is no ordinary aircraft. It's a piece of living history. Restoring and maintaining one isn't easy. Parts are rare, woodwork is delicate, and even the smallest details have to be just right. But when it all comes together, when the fabric is tight, the gauges are alive, and the engines turn over, you're keeping more than a machine in the air. You're keeping a legacy flying. This particular T-50 is something special. The owner told us it's one of the best examples he's ever seen, and that's saying a lot.